Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. As you can see, we are here with the Bissell Powerforce Helix, model number 3313. If you did not see my last video on this vacuum, I did a vacuum saved. This vacuum was manufactured in 2024. This vacuum is less than a year old, and it was already thrown away over probably the most stupidest reason that you could possibly think of. And that is because what I believe is this problem right here. Right? Anyways, the vacuum still has suction, surprisingly. It's not the strongest suction. It doesn't have the amount of suction that it's supposed to have when the filter's clean, or cleaner, but the suction's still there. The suction is kind of weak, but it's still powerful enough to pick up some stuff, surprisingly. But I'm not going to bother touching that filter right now. And today we're going to be doing a natural vacuuming of this carpet right here. So this is just going to be a quick little video of natural vacuuming with the Bissell Powerforce Helix, model number 3313. And for those who are curious, I basically told you everything. There you go. Model number 3313, manufactured in 2024. The 99th day of 2024. And I did look this up. This vacuum was manufactured on April 8th, 2024. So you're talking 8 months old. This vacuum is 8 months old, and it was already thrown away. So, yep. Anyways, let's just get started on this natural vacuuming. So, like I said, the filter is completely gone. It's completely plugged up, but the suction, it still has suction, but the suction is kind of weak. But the suction can certainly be improved with maintenance on that filter. So it's still powerful enough to pick up dirt. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, make sure to comment saying that you did those things. So anyways, hope you guys enjoy. As you guys can see, it's still picking up. See? It's still picking up. The suction's not the greatest, but it's still powerful enough to pick up dirt. Hope you guys enjoy. And it looks like we don't have enough cord because the cord is pretty short. But we're gonna do something very easy. Not the smartest thing to do, but it works. And it prevents me from having to go all the way over there. So anyways, we're just gonna plug it up right here. The cord's only like, I think it's 23 feet on the Powerforce Helix, the normal Powerforce Helix, and I think on the Rewind and the Turbo model, I think it's 25 feet. But yeah, the cord is not very long. So, anyways, we're plugged up over here now, so let's continue. get some better angles for you guys. So overall, this is a pretty good vacuum. You can buy these at Walmart for like I think $55. It's like $55, $60 or something. These use let's see, I want to say 5 or let's see, yeah, I want to say 5, maybe 5, 6, maybe 7 years ago. These were like $45 at Walmart. These were $45 at Walmart, and now they're like 55, 60 something dollars now. So inflation has something to do with it. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this natural vacuuming. Let me know if you want to see more videos like these right here. But yes, this is a Bissell, one of the newer models. This is a Bissell Powerforce Helix 3313 from 2024. So thrown away at the curb, less than a year old, no excuses whatsoever. So anyways, that's all I have for today. And as I'm recording this video, December 24th 2024 is the day I am recording this video. So I hope everyone has a Merry Christmas. Hope everyone has a great time with friends and family, and opening presents, really just spending time with your family. So Merry Christmas, y'all. Happy holidays. Happy New Year 2025. Hopefully 2025 will be a good year, but who knows. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos like these right here, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till next time, guys, peace out.